To begin this project, you will need a piece of watercolor paper, a ruler, and a pencil. So what we're going to do is we need to divide this paper into 12 squares. So we're going to take our ruler and we're going to make a mark, because this is 12 inches, we're going to make a mark every 3 inches. So 3, 6, 9, then we're going to scoot it down and we're going to do 3, 6, 9 again. And we're going to draw our lines this way. Doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but you do want to get 12 squares. Then we're going to take a ruler, and because it's 9 inches, we're going to go on the mark of 3 inches and 6 inches. We scoot our ruler down and do 3 inches and 6 inches. We turn our paper, line those up, and draw our line. Draw our line again, and there we have our 12 squares. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a pair of scissors and cut these up into 12 squares. Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to be learning about different watercolor techniques, and here are the samples that we are going to be making. I will walk you through a couple at a time, and then you guys can, once they're dry, you guys can tape these in your sketchbook so you have examples of how we use watercolor. After you have cut them out, you are going to look at your watercolor paper and you're going to see a rough side and a smooth side. You're going to want to turn them over to the smooth side, and you're going to write on them. The first one you're going to write wet on dry. Next one you're going to write wet on wet. The next one you're going to write dry brush. Then you're going to write flat wash, graded wash, wax resist, salt, rubbing alcohol, coffee, tea, toothbrush splatter wet and dry, saran wrap newspaper resist, and then the last one is going to be a flat wash, which we let dry, and then we're going to paint over that. Once you get those labeled, you can move on to the next video.